Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I got, what's it called, I put in the middle shelf. I didn't put that on camera when I was putting it in. It was pretty easy. I didn't do it by the directions. I did it after I built the entire thing, and then I just squeezed it in and it worked out fine. It's not that big of a deal. It maybe took me an extra minute, but it wasn't that big of a deal. I really didn't care. So we're going to put the rest of it together, okay? So we're going to put in the floors, the two floors, and then put in the ramps and stuff like that. Now everyone that has this thing does recommend wrapping the floors and the ramps with cloth or something like that, because you don't want the rat's nails to get stuck in there. So you can do that as well. I'm probably going to do something similar to that. Just not right now because I just bought sheets for the bed, and I'm gonna girlfriend's bothering me. She wants new sheets, so I got new sheets for the bed. So I'm gonna take the old sheets and I'm gonna cut them up, and I'm gonna put the sheets in here. This way I can wash them at the same time and make a couple of them and be able to just throw it in the wash with sanitize cycle. And then because I have a steam sanitize cycle that I can use, and it'll steam and sanitize the blankets that I put in there, so it'll be pretty good. So let's put this together, see what we got. Let's see how hard it is, see how easy it is, whatever. I did find out that it does lock into the bottom by squeezing it. You have to squeeze the sides. Ow, so I hurt my back. But anyway, you squeeze the sides like this. And then it locks into place, and then you're able to pick this up, which I shouldn't do, but I'm just going to show you. There's handles on both sides, and you can pick it up, see, and the whole thing lifts up. So that's kind of what you can do, and that's what's going on with that right now. So let's put in the let's put in the floor and see how this is going to go. So that's kind of how I'm putting it together. I'm going to point it from the side in a second. Alright, that's kind of what mine is going to look like. I'm probably going to move it around a little bit depending on what I get, because I got some toys and wheels and stuff like that, so I'm going to have to figure out where to move what or what to do with whatever. So I'm going to move it around as per specs that I need for the toys that I'm going to get. But that's kind of what it looks like in general. It has two doors that lock like this so they can't get out. And then you saw me put in the two shelves, and then this is the big shelf down here. Now, what I did also was the shelf. Before I put in this shelf, I made an outline on a box that I have. I made an outline of this shelf, so when you're going to put on new blankets, you could just use the cardboard or use, I don't know, whatever you want to use, but I don't really care. You can use whatever you want to use, but I got a piece of cardboard and I made an outline on a big box that I found, that's all. I didn't do it on the box that I got that this came in, just in case this breaks and I got to return it or something, I don't know. So ow, my back. So I didn't want to, do that, so... so I made it on a different box. So I'm going to do that and have that cut out this way. Like I said before, with the sheets, I'm going to cut out the sheets and make them all sizes for what I need, and then see what happens, and then see if I can wash them easily, because they're going to pee and poop on them. So I want to be able to just get the poop off, throw it in the garbage, wash it with the sanitize cycle, and get the pee out, and that's them putting it back in, instead of going through, having a, I'd rather try to wash them than having to go to the thrift store or wherever I gotta go, Walmart, to get really cheap sheets and stuff all the time, just to have them for the rats. So that's it. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews of putting this You and Me Merry Manor Rat Home together. This is pretty much it, and what you can expect to have when you get it and when you unbox it and put it together. Like I said, you're going to see mine set up a little bit differently soon. I'm going to do reviews on other stuff, and I'm going to put the other stuff in so you guys can see if it fits, and then see if it's worth it for you while you're setting up your home, your rat cage, whatever the case may be. and see if it works. Okay, so that's it for Glenn Belver Reviews. I'm out. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I'm always putting up stuff to help you guys out, make decisions, and see if it's worth it for you guys to get this stuff or not. And that's it. So have a good one. Enjoy. Be safe. Bye-bye.